Hi guys, I'm gonna walk you through how to get Adobe on your computers at home. This will only work if you have a PC or a Mac computer at home. Unfortunately, it does not work on Chromebooks. And then if you can log into this, you can download the Lightroom app onto your phone and you can use the professional version. And then you can also download a Photoshop app on an iPad. It has to be an iPad. So in Google, I'm going to search for Adobe CC. You want to make sure that if you're using like your parents' computer and if they're working in Drive all the time, just sign everybody out of your Drive account, because it may be picking up like your parents' email or a sibling's email when we need your email to be in there. So on the right hand side, once I'm in Adobe Creative Cloud, I'm going to hit sign in, and then I'm going to continue with Google. And here's my options, because everything's signed out. So you have to choose your Cherry Creek Schools account. And then I'm going to enter my password. Hopefully it remembered me. Let's see. No, it didn't. Okay, so I'm going to put my password in there. And then it's going to ask me which ID I want. It has to be the enterprise ID because we're a school account. And then once it pops in, mine's showing up because I have already done this, but you should have this little icon that says your services, and you go to open, and that's going to open the Creative Cloud. And then if you go up here to the top where it says apps, it's going to show you all these apps that you can download. Mine say open because I've already downloaded them, or install, but like Premiere Pro or Lightroom Classic, which is the old Lightroom, I don't want that. I can just hit install and it'll start to install on my computer. So here, if I go to open, it should open Photoshop for me. There it goes. Okay, hopefully this works. I wish I was with all of you. I will talk to you soon.